I can't get all of that in to show you. She ends up putting loo cleaner on it, the blue Lysol, which I think is roughly the same as our Harpic, and it gets it off. But I thought it was worth explaining to you what's going on there. That mark is, it could have been somebody like Tyler's or Grouter's emptying their buckets down there. But it's some kind of scale with minerals in the water and dirt all gunked up. Now, bicarb wouldn't have done anything, it would have just fizzed a bit, that would have all it would have done. The Lime Away and the Barkeeper's Friend are both acidic, and that was what it needed, an acid to help dissolve the scale and lift it away, but obviously they weren't strong enough. The oven cleaner won't have done a lot because that's caustic in the other direction, so that won't have dissolved it. And then she used a loo cleaner, which is much stronger, and she said you can see it working, and you can. You can see it fizzing, and that's it dissolving the hard water deposits. Now, if you get that on metal, you risk turning your metal black, so do be really cautious when you use acids. But that's always a way to tell. If you've got that kind of mark, you can muck around. Lime Away, Barkeeper's Friend, they will work eventually. You just got to give it a bit of welly and a bit of time. But what you want to do is get something that's quite strongly acidic and just put a little drop onto it, Viacal, CLR, anything like that, but it needs to be pretty strong, and watch it really cautiously, really closely, and see if it fizzes. If it fizzes, it's reacting, and if it's reacting, it will get it off. Like I said, that's why the loo cleaner worked, because it's very strong. Now, there are other stronger acids that you can use that are not loo cleaner. You can make up a very strong solution of citric acid, but it does have to be quite strong. And with all of these, please wear gloves. You could use spirits of salt, but you must be careful. That would definitely have turned that plug a real black colour, but it would have gone pink and lifted it. It's also, you wouldn't want to be breathing that. I think that's probably a bit much for it. But yeah, if you put something that's fairly strongly acid on it, like I said, in my case, I keep spirits of salt, which is muriatic acid if you're in the States. I would just put a drop of that on it and look at it and see what happened. And if it lifted it, I'd know it was an acid. And then I could decide how strong an acid I wanted to use. If that didn't work, I'd go in the opposite direction and I'd put a drop of caustic soda on it and see what happened, but only a little bit, just to see what was working on a corner. And once I knew which direction of chemical, I could then move further forward. I'm really glad it came out. And yeah, loo cleaner can work, but like I said, you must be really careful. Number one, it can dye things blue, especially if you use the Harpic, because that's really blue. And it can stain plastics. And also, it will turn metals black. So